Data Center, the data center with high international standard. Quality assured by TSI Certificate Level 3. The building is specifically designed and exclusively used at a data center. Systematic risk management to sustain any disaster with a high security system and procedure structure. Supplied by double power sources, additional UPS and power generator. Monitor 24/7 by our technical specialists. We are carrier neutral, possibly aligning with any network operators of your choices. CAT Data Center, the first TSI Level 3 certified in ASEAN.